The White House Coronavirus Task Force warned states this week that COVID-19 risk nationwide is at a historic high, and urged public health officials to appeal to the public directly in the absence of adequate state and local policies, escalating their rhetoric about the coronavirus threat as cases surge nationwide and hospitals become overwhelmed. 2,597. That's the number of COVID-19 deaths that were recorded nationwide Tuesday, according to Johns Hopkins University, which CNN notes as the second highest death total since the pandemic began. The U.S. also recorded 98,691 hospitalizations from COVID-19 Tuesday according to the COVID Tracking Project, the highest since the pandemic began, and 157,901 new cases, according to Johns Hopkins. COVID-19 cases are spiking nationwide to the highest levels seen yet, and hospitals across the country are facing capacity shortages, which health experts caution will likely get significantly worse in the coming weeks due to Thanksgiving. Many states have responded to the surge by implementing new restrictions like curfews, mask requirements and stay-at-home orders, though some Republican-led states have continued to resist mask mandates and increased restrictions. "I'm opposed to mandates, period," Florida Governor Ron DeSantis said Monday, remaining firm there would be no lockdowns, no fines, no school closures, despite rising cases. The White House task force has often used its reports to encourage states to implement stricter measures like mask mandates, and their directive telling public health officials to circumvent political leadership if necessary comes after many of these requests have been ignored. White House Coronavirus Task Force warns states, "We are in a very dangerous place." CNN, November's grim COVID-19 totals. More than 4.3 million infections and 37,000 Americans killed. Forbes, U.S. passes 13 million COVID-19 cases. Forbes, Florida mayors plead for mask mandate, but DeSantis says no new restrictions coming. Forbes, here's where you can no longer get an ICU bed because of COVID. Forbes, full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.